friends, Running Kimono here. So if you are headed to Walgreens today, which is Sunday the 9th, definitely walk down the feminine care aisle. The Tampax Pure Cotton, a lot of this good stuff that's been tagged at 50% for the longest time, hit 90 on Saturday, and it's on a buy one get one 50% off promotion, even at this cost. So I got 3 of these for like $2 and some change. It was quite glorious. So definitely be on the lookout. I know that there's lots of vitamins, supplements, anything to do with your special time of the month or pregnancy. A lot of this stuff is 90% off. I think there's some sort of a reset going on. So definitely look. I think one of the pregnancy tests, there was an IVC for that would make it completely for free. My store was out. But if you are in the neighborhood for that, definitely be on the lookout. The next superb deal, we're just going to go through some deals that you should do if you don't want to do any booster deals, is the treat of the week that are these Snickers fun size candy bars for $2.49, $2.80 of savings. So if you wanted to use $2 in Walgreens cash or get a couple of them and use a couple of bucks of Walgreens cash, a nice little treat for your house, a nice little treat for your office or trick-or-treaters, just cheap candy. Now, this next deal is a just because one. Again, if you're really mad about that spend, the coupon that we've been getting, $5 in beauty care when you spend $20, just do this deal outside of the box. These soft soap, these larger ones, are exactly $5 on the nose. They're part of the spend $20 in beauty care, get $5 back. But if you're not about that and you're like, I don't want to do that, here's the deal for you. So these are typically $7.49 for these massive things of soft soap. We have this dollar digital coupon that popped up this morning. So you would basically pay $4 for this product. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're just buying this guy on its own. But a product that's upwards of like $7.49 at most stores, probably $8 at some stores I've even seen it. For $4, use Walgreens cash or a register reward if you might have it. This is a rock bottom price if you just don't want to do any booster deals this week, and I get it. The next deal that I have is a paper deal of the week. It is on the Scott's Comfort Plus toilet paper at $5. Now, I'm going to let you guys know the IVCs, which are the instant value coupons, the Walgreens coupons, are of a one-time use. So if you used it earlier in the month, you're kind of out of luck, but it's the one on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we also have a dollar manufacturer. Here's the math for this one. Grabbing one of these for $5 on the nose, the $1.25 IVC will come off along with the dollar digital, making it $2.75. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Now check your coupons.com app. There's also a dollar back also for the Scott. So if you wanted to grab, say, 2, you'd pay an extra $1 and then make that submission to coupons.com to get your dollar back. And it's a little something called magic. This is kind of where I messed up in my preview video. I believed that the Cottonelle Kleenex Viva deal was also part of the Huggies deal, but as per the tag, it's not saying. However, this is a Kimberly-Clark product, right? So I still don't know. I'm going to test this one out probably Monday or Tuesday to buy 7 of these and to get back a $10 register reward. And oh my gosh, we have digital coupons along for this. So we're going to look at that, but I'm going to do that later in the week because I wanted to do the diaper deal today. So this diaper deal is absolutely fantastic, and I had 2 boosters to throw together with this deal. The first one is this digital, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. What's going on in my life is everybody's having babies all at once. So I need a bunch of diapers for family and friends. I also had this paper one of $7 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. So spending $50, I'm getting $17 back. Plus, it's my birthday month, so I'm getting an extra, like $5 back for spending $50 on diapers. So this deal is really spectacular, and I've been eyeballing it for a little bit, and I'm like, I got to make it happen today. And so it is to get $30 of the Huggies and get a $10 register reward back. So I got 2 of these pull-up new leaves with the Frozen characters on it, and then one of these black night times. So picking up 3 of them, they will ring up for the sales price. So I think it's like $31 or $30.50, and then this is the tag for a lot of you that want to see it. It says participating Huggies, Poise, or Kotex products. The Kleenex and Cottonelle are not included, but still, I'm very apprehensive to do the 2 deals together, so that's why I'm doing it separately. They're the digital coupons that I have, a 3 off a 2 for the pull-ups. So the black one and the The new leaf is part of that, and then a $2 off of a new leaf. On the Fetch Rewards app, they're giving back $1.50 for each, and they're doing some weird like Vegas thing that if you photograph any receipt, there's like this thing that you can spin and stop to get extra points. So I got an extra $1 back, so that was $4 back for me. Loving that app. If you have not signed up, what are you doing with your life? Check out the link in the notes of my referral code. Sign up today. That little Vegas thing to get extra points and it spins on your phone. That alone is worth signing up for Fetch Rewards because it's so much fun. New Leaf Diapers, IBOTTA is giving back $5 plus 10 cents on any brand. It doesn't exclude coupons over at Walgreens, and I got my $5 back. And then coupons.com is giving an extra $2 back for the New Leaf bag, so hopefully I qualify for that. If not, it's still okay. To get the basket right to 50, I also included 4 of these Irish Spring body washes, and that's on a promotion of spend $20, get back a $5 store register reward on like beauty products specifically. And for those of you that are like, I need to look at the tag, here it is, and I made it out of focus I don't know what I was doing this morning. But the great thing about this little dealio is that we had this digital coupon, which is a $2 off of an Irish Spring. Looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of the Huggies is $31.50. 4 of the Irish Spring is $20 on the nose for a subtotal of $51.50. I had my digital booster loaded. I got the cashier to scan the 7 back when you spend $25. I had $7 in digital coupons that melted off also at checkout. With my debit card, I paid the $44.50, so that's kind of gross, but it is what it is. And then I got back $22 in Walgreens cash, $17 for the 2 boosters, and then $5 for my birthday. And then I also got back $15 in register rewards. I'll show you here in a second. $5.10 back for IBOTTA for the purchase of the new leaf. $4 back from Fetch. $3 for their promotion, and then $1 for that Vegas pull, and then hopefully $2 back from the coupons.com app, making this whole haul completely for free. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or any store register rewards. Really pay attention. Just to give you a quick peek, this is the store register reward that I got for buying the Irish Spring, and then $10 back for buying the 3 Huggies diapers. How sensational is that? Okay, before we stop talking about Walgreens, let's have a quick little giveaway for a $10 gift card. To participate, you got to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per shopper. The winner will be picked on Friday, October the 14th. This is completely for free, guys. I pay for the card and the shipping, and I wish you guys good luck. I know a lot of you get really excited whenever there's a little something like this, so good luck with that. And the final thing I want to talk about is the Dollar General, and I saw a lady on TikTok yesterday talking about this, and I'm so sorry I forgot your name. Sometimes if you don't like heart whatever it is, it gets lost. But she was talking about these OxyCleans found in the clearance section, and in the regular section there's dollar peelies, making it like 67 cents. And I was able to track down one this morning, so I got one for 67 cents. And this is the UPC. If you want to check your store, it might be a tall order. In case you missed it, the Dollar General is having a clearance event from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today might be some bare bones to find any clearance merch, but who knows? If you live out in the country or a rural area, your store might actually be really stocked with stuff. If you are a clearance shopper or are curious about this Dollar General event and are really, you just shop at Walgreens and you want to cross over, check out this video. And I have a lot of great information and visuals and UPCs if you know how to use your Dollar General account, where you might find a lot of stuff. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.